Hey, this is going to be a video on the LR command, label radius. First thing you're going to want to do is set your text size so when you run the label radius command, the text is the correct size and rotation. So run text, specify the height. This is a 30 scale, so you do 30 times 0.08, which is 2.4. Specify your rotation as 0. Type anything in here. And now when you run LR, click your radius that you want to label. Click where you want the text. And then you want to move it to the inside of the radius. So, like if I was doing this one here, you'd click the face of the curve and then label it on the inside of the radius where the center point of the arc is.